Hello. Hi, my name is Juhi and I'm 22 years old. You must be knowing me because this is my sixth or seventh video and I'm just trying to be consistent here. And today I'm just going to talk about February, and if you know what does that mean, like Valentine week. I, I know it's pretty crazy talking all of this, but why not? Because you single and I am also single, so we all can relate together, right? So let's get started. So of course it's February and everything is supposed to be like romantic in love angle, and suddenly flowers are a bit expensive and couple are very louder, and it is expected for a single to feel overwhelmed and of course to feel things which are not meant to be felt or feel. So, hi, this video is for singles who are just single like me, minding their business peacefully and respecting their own self. Other than that, so let's sit with me and speak about the truth of Valentine week. And I know I'm obsessed with this new mic, so I'm just trying to move it again and again. So, let's get started. So entering February, the first week and the 2 days of February are like, okay, chalo, we all are single, doesn't matter, but the Instagram is not behaving and have started warming up with reels, couple reels, especially the love, the amount of single you are. And I don't know what is wrong with this algorithm, but it's coming again and again in your feed, showing that you are single or go back to your ex. Why can't you be like just single and have peace in your life? Go to the daily routine and literally enjoy those moments, because being single is so peaceful. Like, I'm also single, I'm just working on myself, and then again I'm going to the office, making videos, doing challenges like walking and other hobbies as well, which I don't show. So like, Instagram is also not behaving with us. Do you agree? So here's the gossip which starts. The real gossip group who is literally trying to figure out my relationship status, whether I'm single or not. Because this Valentine, like every year in the month of February, everyone is like, did he text you? Did he really want to talk to you? अच्छा अभी भी सिंगल है? Oh, Valentine वीक भी सिंगल जाने वाला है? Yes, brother, yes, of course, yes, babe, because the relationship which you see online, you don't know the harsh reality, the real which you see. You don't know the offline fights, you don't know the guy cheating on the girl, abusing and giving traumas. Bhai, that is the real truth. So it's not about being single and being in a relationship, it's about observing small things whether you want it or not. I'm not against the relationship or anything, but I just want to say that if you are finding peace, that is the end goal, brother. So, what is the daily routine of a single girl? Of course, I'm talking about me, twin, not you, because I don't know you whether you are single or not. So, what is my daily routine? Just music in my ear, work on my eyes, and just struggling without emotional baggage. Yeah, that is the struggle I really wanted to struggle in life. And what else? I just go out for walks, then chill with my flatmates, talk to my parents, and sleep peacefully with no fight. Yes, no fight. I am not here to roast any the community of the couple thing, but I am just trying to say what I usually do. I sleep peacefully at 12, wake up at 9, do my freaking work, go out for walk, and then sleep. This is the routine which I have. And also I don't feel that February में भी मुझे ये सब कुछ भी ऐसा feel होगा that I'm single. Oh my god. So let's talk about Rose Day. What is your POV on Rose Day? Like, I have seen my friends that they are literally crying that उसका बंदा उसे फूल नहीं दे रहा. Babe, उसने तुझे ही फूल बनाकर रखा है. There's the difference between PHOOL and FOLL. But दोनों सेम ही साउंड करते हैं. So you are a real fool. I just don't want to say all of this, but this is the reality. Of course, भाई वो लड़की है, उसे फूल चाहिए. तुझे क्यों नहीं समझ में आ रहा that she really wants that one flower, not that expensive date out? No, bro, she's literally crying for that flower. And with me, I can really go and bought a flower. Even my friends are so nice that they send me flowers. And मतलब फेब्रुअरी में तो फूलों के भी प्राइसेस बढ़ जाते हैं, बट लड़कियां क्या चाहती है, तेरा ही फूल बनना बेटा. So when you have zero expectations, you don't need any backup plan, no benching, no situationship, no Santa Clausing situations, and many more other situations which we are going through, because this generation is so f that genuinely they just want to do things and move on, and no real connection. And some there are few people which are genuinely in a good relationship around me. I can see that they really are into each other and celebrating the day they want to, not Valentine, because it's cringe for them, and of course it's cringe for me. That's why I'm trying to roast it, not roast it, just trying to speak my heart out as a single person. So then chocolate day, then teddy day, whatever. I don't know exactly what other days are. I just know that उसके बाद जो आता है मारने पीटने वाला, slap day, kick day and all. So I buy flowers for myself. I order chocolates for myself. When I feel low, I go out for walks. And I'm not saying that being in a relationship is the worst thing ever, but you want peace, you want affection, and which you don't get, and the guy is literally gaslighting you and trying to be someone who is not in the initial days, and then of course he's trying to be a better person and trying, and you know he has the capability, he has the audacity to lie, to fake it in front of you, and you have to accept it. उससे अच्छा सिंगल ही रह लो ना, खुद खरीद लो ना फूल बहन, खुद खरीद लो ना चॉकलेट बहन. So I was just talking about the वैलेंटाइन के बाद वाले दिन, केक डे, स्लैप डे, व्हाटएवर, पंच डे. मैं बचपन से वही मना रही हूँ और अभी भी 22 साल की उम्र में भी वही मनाने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज so there are girls, there are my twin besties who just feel that they are single, especially in the month of February, because ये सब जो चल रहा है Instagram पे, couple के झूठे वादे, the gaslighting part I'm talking about, the manipulation I'm talking about, not the real love, because real love exists. I also do believe in that. It's just that the fake one I'm trying to talk about. So डोंट थिंक दैट चलो अभी पटा लेती हूँ, फेब्रुअरी का महीना है, वैलेंटाइन डे, ये वो 7 दिन मना लूंगी, 15 दिन मना लूंगी, उसके बाद जो तुम्हारा कटेगा कोई नहीं संभालने आएगा. तुम्हारे पास तो मेरी जैसी दोस्त भी नहीं है, मेरे पास भी मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है जो मुझे संभाल सकती है, बट स्टिल आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी सिंगल एवरी डे, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अबाउट फाइंडिंग एनीथिंग एंड इट्स नॉट अबाउट बीइंग लोनली, बट you are trying to protect your peace over anything. Now is the day when you have to be yourself and love yourself, bestie. This February, just take care of your body, eat well, maintain your boundaries, always protect your peace over anything, and don't feel that you are single and you don't have a life as the couple have. They are struggling more than us in all the aspects. Like if they are working, they have a lot of pressure, family ke kitch pitch and all, then of course health issues, wealth issues, and ऊपर से additionally they have in a relationship जिधर उसका बंदा उसे समझ नहीं रहा है. बट बहन, तूने अपनी खुद की प्रॉब्लम एक हटाई है क्योंकि तू सिंगल है, तो प्राउड रह, रो मत कि तेरे पास बंदा नहीं है. So if you are single, I see you, I support you, and you have to comment that you are single and what are your plans for the week, क्योंकि उसके बाद तो हम मनाने वाले पंच डे, स्लैप डे, किक डे. So if you really like my video, you know what you have to do: like, share, comment, and subscribe if you want to see me next time. Yes, you have to subscribe me if you want to see. So bye.